Alright, what's up? We're going to do a quick video on an install for this crash cage from VulgarUsa. I am not by any means a professional mechanic, so take everything I say with a grain of salt and you should do okay.
Alright, here's the crash bar. So, you got your two pucks. All the hardware for all this is 5/8, but you will need 11/16 wrench and a socket, so that way you're able to take off some of the old hardware.
Alright, obviously we got some small issue. We'll cut a zip tie, basically just kind of move them up and then get everything set in with the spacers, and then we'll be able to really get everything dialed. This side is pretty much good to go. Throw in the spacer, throw in the bolt, torque and tighten. Tighten and torque. You get my point.
Okay, so the only issue I ran into was the gap between these two. So what I did was I went ahead and loosened the exhaust, and I loosened the crash bar, put some aluminum heat tape in there, the thicker, better stuff, not the thin stuff that just seals, but this stuff that protects against heat. And then I tightened the exhaust back where it should go. Then I did the crash bar, and it seems okay. It seems like it's not going to hurt anything, so we'll run it.
Alright, that's all I've got for you. If you have any questions, comments, go ahead and leave that down below. And also, if you like this video, please leave a like and a subscribe. It would be super helpful. And look forward to some more content, and I'll see what I can get for you. Thanks.